Hey, Wednesday morning, another day where the sun's come up. We're ready to go. Now, it's been a quiet few days on the market front. Another quiet session overnight. We've got the VIX below 18. Seems like stocks are a bit range bound. We've had a little bit of action in the dollar lately. Could potentially have some more action tomorrow with the inflation data. That said, again, it's a quiet time of year as people wind down, start to kick off summer, and step away from the trading desk. It's also a great opportunity for you as a trader to better yourself, get your strategy right for when things do get active again. Now, that said, some of you traders are new to Nadex, some of you are new to trading in general. One of the common mistakes that I've seen with a lot of traders, particularly at Nadex, is treating our contracts similar to the way you may treat a sports betting contract, as an example, where it's set it and forget it. You place a trade, you just let it ride all the way to expiration. Trading binaries is no different than trading a stock. You can exit at any point in time. So whether you're up a certain percentage or perhaps you've set a mental stop and you want to get out on the downside at a certain percentage, you can trade out at any time. And we've added some new enhanced functionality inside of the platform, both demo and live, to help you with that. So get in there today, check it out. Remember, when trading, it's never a bad thing to get out of that trade early. You don't have to ride it to expiration. Make sure you enter that trade with a plan. When are you getting in? When are you getting out? All right, folks, let's go get some today. Let's have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow morning.